Okay, here we go again. Now, this is a collection of some of the best DC comic themed Kodi builds that are available right now. Kodi 21. Now, there are others, but you can see them in other videos. Okay, so this is basically just a reference guide of what's available. So we've got Penguin. It's weird because that was a good TV show, wasn't it? Only season 1. The same character was in that new Batman film. We got the comedian from The Watchmen. Now this is a Debrid movie only build. Trinity is one of my favourites. Trinity is basically who they call Batman, Wonder Woman, and Superman, the heroes of DC. Red Hood. I like this build because it features like it's formerly known as the Killer build from Keeler from John Wick 4. So it's got background pictures of all the the assassins, all the hardcore guys such as Equalizer, Robert McCall. He's got Agent 47, the guy who carries the guitar in Desperado. I don't know his name. Who else has it got? The Irish guy. What's his name? I'm gonna come back to me soon, I'm sure. He's got the accountant. He's got James Bond. Yeah, the Irish guy in that film Taken. That's it. He's a highly skilled guy, isn't it? And it also has the cleric John Preston from the Equilibrium, and you see him being mentioned in matches on social media. Him versus John Wick, him versus this, him versus that, and this guy is like the original gung fu guy with guns. There's a scene where in the film, right? But a lot of people haven't seen it. He just goes into this dark room full of, I guess, bad guys. Just bursts in there, stands in the middle of the room, and he kills everybody. Just shoots them all, and he stands right in the middle of the room because he actually can hear their heartbeats. He can hear their breathing, and he knows where to stand in any place and not get hit. Which of course is silly, but that what makes him stand out to be one of the best, the best fighters in movies. We got Mr. Terrific, who was great in the new Superman. Night Owl, it was great in Watchmen. Darkseid is one of the super villains in DC. Batman, no introduction. But last we've got Dr. Manhattan. Dr. Manhattan, just like Night Owl, coming from the Watchmen universe into DC. And this guy is a few years ago in the comics, this guy is actually, he's ruling DC. He's also ruling the Kodi builds as well, because I don't know any Kodi build that's better than Dr. Manhattan build. Dr. Manhattan has also got a dirty version as well for you guys who want your adult content, but yeah, Dr. Manhattan is my go-to. I think he sort of killed everyone in DC apart from Superman. He left Superman alone because he thought that Superman is DC, so he just left them, but then he put them all back alive again. That's how powerful Dr. Manhattan is.